All right, what's up, everybody? So it's daytime, so I don't gotta use like the car lighting for lighting anymore for the video. So just want to talk about another quick topic that's on my mind, and I'm pretty sure some people might be able to relate. Not sure, but hey, so eating healthy and trying to shop for healthy food, that stuff is expensive. And then when it comes to like preparing healthy foods or cooking at home, that stuff it's expensive and it's time consuming. It's time consuming. Um, like for example, if you think about it, like you got like a McDonald's or Wendy's or any fast food restaurant, they got those like $5 deals, or I don't know if y'all remember the I don't think they have it anymore, but the Wendy's 4 for 4. Think about that. Think about that. You get 4 items. You get like a burger, some chicken nuggets, some fries, and a drink for $4 or $5 now. I think Wendy's got fancy and they call it the $5 biggie bag now. But just think about that. $5 and you got all those items. And of course, fast food and burgers and all that stuff is high in calories. You got all these fats and processed stuff and preservatives that be in fast food. But it's cheap. It's very cheap. Fast food, it don't cost a lot of money at all. Now, on the other hand, you can buy you a salad from fast food salad, or you can make your own salad, or wherever if you want to go to one of the little fancy salad places. Those are expensive. You're paying upwards to $10 for a salad sometimes. I mean, I don't buy too many salads. If I do eat a salad, I make it on my own. Just because it's just my salads are just they're fire. I'm not gonna lie. No, I don't think anybody can make a better salad than me. That's just me. That's me. Of course, it's an opinion. A lot of people haven't tried my salads, but that's besides the point. The thing is, a salad it's gonna cost more than like the 4 for 4, or like the little $5 value meals or whatever. And if the sad part is, like, a salad is not going. A lot of times it won't fill you up. Especially if you get like little small salads or little side salads or whatever, it's not gonna fill you up. And then you're gonna you're gonna not be satisfied, or two, you're gonna end up buying more food, spending more money on more food to kind of satisfy your palate or whatever, or what's it called, to not be hungry anymore. So it's like, yeah, you made the effort to be healthy, but at the expense of not being satisfied, and then spending, possibly spending more money because the salad is it's more expensive. I mean, you go sit here and tell me you can. I mean, you can probably find a $5 salad, but it's not going to be filling. But the whole point I'm trying to make is that fast food makes it so convenient for you to get in shape, or not to get in shape. I'm tripping. To buy food and to fill yourself up. Whereas, like, when it comes to like trying to eat healthy or whatever, it costs and it adds up. And there's like a lot of different points I want to make in this video, so I might have to split this up into to several videos. But I'm with y'all. I'm not sure if anybody else feels the same way or if y'all agree. But it's pricey. It's pricey. And let's think about like food stores like Whole Foods. So if you do cook at home, cooking at home is going to be cheaper or whatever, because you can prepare food for multiple days, or meal prep or whatever. But of course, you got to buy groceries and everything. And a lot of times, and like I said, I don't want to make this too all over the place, but I want to also talk about the fact that if you do meal prep or if you do cook at home for multiple days, I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks this, but it gets boring. Like, eating the stuff that you prepared, days ago, it gets boring. Sometimes it can get disgusting. If the food's sitting in the refrigerator for a while, it get all cold, and then like the quality goes down because you got to microwave it. I don't know if y'all know, but microwaves removes food from water, so it dries it out and takes away some of the flavor. So yeah, meal prepping, preparing food at home or whatever for multiple days, it can get boring, especially if you somebody like me that just enjoys food and you enjoy like some good takeout. It can get boring, like eating the same thing every day. Yes, it's cheaper. It's cheaper. It's definitely healthier than buying like fast food and everything. But like I said, it can get boring. And then on the other hand, let's say you do meal prep or whatever. So a lot of people that meal prep actually end up spending more money because of that fact. Like, they get sick of eating the same thing, so they're like, you know what? This is day 3 of eating this chicken, broccoli, and rice. Let me go get me a burger. Let me go get this takeout meal that costs $10-15, and I'll get back to my meal prep food tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, you do the same thing. Let me go get this $5 biggie bag or this 4 for 4. I'll get back on it. So you end up spending money on the food, eating the food for a couple days, and then you end up throwing it out, or it goes bad or something. So not only did you waste money on the food, but you also had to spend money on some takeout and some fast food that lasted you one meal, only one meal, maybe two. But a lot of times takeout and fast food stuff, it don't taste good or taste better, or it don't taste right, whenever you have to rewarm it at all. So yeah, guys, that's just one thing. That's one thing. So I'm with y'all. This is a fitness channel and everything, and I'm definitely trying to push healthy habits, but I'm also real. I definitely understand when it comes to getting takeout or getting fast food. Sometimes it's just more convenient. Sometimes it just tastes better than what you can prepare. Like, so I'm not a chef at all by any means, and I can definitely attest to takeout tastes 10 times better than anything I can cook. Like I said, unless y'all are 5-star chefs out here or work in a restaurant or something like that, 9 times out of 10, if you're like me, takeout tastes better than what you can cook. So that's what makes it difficult. That's what makes it difficult. And then I kind of want to switch gears for a second. I don't want to make this video too long, but you got stores like Whole Foods. Now, Whole Foods or you got Earth Fare as well, like those organic type places. That food, Trader Joe's too. That's another one. I don't want to leave out Trader Joe's, but the food there is pricey. It's pricey. Like, buying stuff that's organic, it's gonna cost a lot more money than your stuff that got the preservatives or the whatever chemicals in it to make it last or whatever. That's one thing. That's another point I want to make, is that healthier foods, like organic foods, definitely cost so much more money. And that's the sad thing about it, guys. Even with the eggs, like you got the white eggs versus the or the bleached eggs. I don't know what they're called, but bleached eggs, I guess you can say, versus I guess the brown eggs, the cage free or whatever eggs. They cost more. It's just so sad. I hate it. And like I said, I'm kind of talking freely right now, just venting, ranting a little bit, if you will. But it's sad how eating healthy or whatever, it just costs so much more money. And then with Whole Foods, just kind of going back to Whole Foods, I know I'm kind of all over the place, but they sell those things like the vegan meat and and it's not just Whole Foods. I mean, I know like Publix, Harris Teeter, like those grocery stores sells it as well, but it's so much more money for those foods than it is for if you get the regular ground beef. Like, you can get Impossible meat or whatever, and I want to say the last time I tried Impossible meat, it was you were getting maybe 5 sausage links for $10, and I'm like, $10 for 5 links? Come on now. And it's probably even more than that, but it's some crazy price like that. Or you can get the little pre-made veggie burgers or the Impossible meat burgers. You get maybe a 4 or 5 pack, and it's gonna cost you $12, $15. And the thing is, it's not feeling at all. It's not a bad price for 5 burgers at all, but it's not feeling. You can eat that Impossible meat or the Beyond meat, whatever it's called, because I don't eat it too much anymore. But it's gonna cost you some money for to not feel satisfied and not feel feel satisfied. But anyways, guys, like I said, I don't want to make this too long at all. I just want to get that out real quick to just let y'all know that I'm with y'all. I don't know if anybody feels this way, but it's hard, it's expensive to eat healthy and to make sure you're eating a healthy diet. But on the other hand, guys, I'm saying all this, but it is very important just to kind of reel it back in. Because like I said, this is a fitness channel, a health and wellness channel and everything. It is so much better to cook at home and to meal prep. Yeah, you do sacrifice quality sometimes, or not quality, but you sacrifice taste and convenience. But for your health and longevity, it's so much better to cook at home, to eat the fruits and the organic stuff if you can. Like I said, I know sometimes you got to get the bleached eggs. Sometimes you got to get the stuff with the preservatives and all the stuff, chemicals on it. I understand. Trust and believe. It ain't easy. Oops, I didn't mean to turn the camera around. Okay. But yeah, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. But the thing is, like I said, in the long run, when you start getting up there in age, all the food and stuff that you consume when you're younger. I mean, a lot of people, I'm not too old, I'm 31 right now. A lot of people tell me when you get older, when you turn 50, 60 years old, it's gonna catch up with you. And like I said, I don't know. I'm not 50, not 60 yet, so I don't know. But the thing is, you want to try and take care of yourself, eat right now, in your younger days, to where you don't even have to worry about if that's a true factor or not. As far as stuff catching up with you, like your diet and everything catching up with you when you're older. You want to, just so you don't have to worry about that, just go ahead and take care of your body now. Eat right now. Try to limit your fast food intake. Maybe try eating out on the weekends or cooking through the week. try to limit it. Like I said, I know we live a fast-paced life, so sometimes it's more convenient getting the fast food and the takeout. But you got to think about the long run, guys. You want to be healthy now, and you want to be healthier when it comes time to, for the golden years, like this 50, 60 years old. You don't want to be having knee pain trying to walk up the stairs or chase around your grandkids or whatever, or your kids, wherever you are in life or whatever stage you're at in life. You want to make sure you're comfortable, make sure you're healthy, make sure your body is functioning properly, and that starts with, of course, a good diet, a good workout routine. Yeah, guys, I know I ranted and then just kind of said the complete opposite, like, still do all that stuff, but just wanted to talk freely again and just get my thoughts out. Hopefully, I'm not sure if anybody feels the same way about, healthy food and healthy alternatives being so much more expensive and so much more difficult to obtain. I don't know if somebody feels that same way, but let me know if you do. But just being completely real. Anyways, guys, I definitely appreciate y'all if you watched all the way through, listening to my rant, and just listening to my thoughts and everything. Definitely gonna catch y'all on the next one.